Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying what you have, which OS, the Python version you intended, and that you run as admin. Once done, remove older or conflicting installers and environment managers to avoid path collisions, because leftover files cause many errors. Next, download the official installer for the correct 32 or 64-bit architecture and check the checksum to ensure integrity. These steps eliminate the most common installation blockers and prepare a clean environment for the next actions. Run the installer as administrator and choose Customize so you can enable pip, the PyLauncher, and the registry entries. Make sure to pick Install for all users if multiple accounts will use Python. Once installed, add to path when appropriate so the shell finds the interpreter. This prevents the common command not found error. Then create a virtual environment using venv or virtualenv to isolate packages. Finally, verify success with Python version and pip list to confirm pipworks and base packages are present. To finish, ensure path includes both the Python installation folder and the scripts folder so commands run globally. Edit system path or use the PyLauncher to avoid manual changes. If installation still fails, reinstall while saving the installer log and inspect the temp or installer log for obvious permission or file locking errors. If package dependency problems persist, install with pip user or recreate a fresh virtual environment. This isolates issues and prevents system-wide conflicts, which is often.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.